47 Watchdogs-Liedchen. Tag. Gott.
That Inspector Lau's been escorted to a nearby refuge and is getting her wounds treated.
I'll be fine. Still a little flighty from whatever they gave me. And frankly, a little stunned that we've joined forces.
If you told me last week we'd be working with the feds, I would have laughed.
No.
But Mary Kelley's got to be stopped. That's bigger than anything.
Exactly. You have an organization, I have information, and some backing from powerful people.
Zum Glück war die Mission fertig, ne? Aber fertig jetzt.
Right. Your teammate won't be completing their operation so much as they'll be needing one.
That's what they get for being careless. Come on, let's clean up for them.
Bloody Mary Kelley. So, das Teambriefing. Ja, ja.
Got a potential
Scheiß
recruit for you.
Trainer,
I'll mark them on your
Ex-Sportchef.
map. Getting arseholed and throwing bits of metal around has got to count as training somehow. I've heard from Inspector Lau. We're ready for the briefing. Mary Kelley heads up the most powerful crime family in London, Clan Kelley, which should at least be easy to remember.
Under her old man, they were a bit player. Then he died, and her rivals started disappearing. Her enemies, her friends, her family. They call her Bloody Mary for a reason.
Early on, Mary abandoned cash in favor of cryptocurrency and brought the Kelly's criminal business online.
It makes weapons smuggling, drug running, money laundering all a lot easier without a cash trail. The woman single-handedly modernized organized crime in London. She considers herself to be untouchable. Case in point, from my files you retrieved. Darla Covington, 19. Sasha Haddad, 28. Radek Stavkovic, 24. All disappeared.
It's difficult to find good help these days, isn't it, love? Most people, they ain't driven. Not like you. Because they feel worthless, don't they? The way that the world is, how it uses people. It's horrible. It's nice that you have a purpose. Oh, that'll be me, love.
We aren't finished here.
This was a courtesy. Oh, give my regards to their families. It's horrible losing someone you love. Nice meeting you, Caitlin.
As you can see, she'll never respond to
Was ist denn?
interrogation. But there is one place she feels comfortable.
Ja, und jetzt kommen wieder die 1000 Fragen.
Inspector Lau thinks a police bug in the Kelley's headquarters may have the evidence she needs to finally convict Bloody Mary.
Sandstone is their center of operation.
Was denn jetzt schon wieder?
I know the data
Ja,
of
ist
that
gut.
will take her down. Get it for me, and I swear to away forever.
Der nicht im
Pushing the
Horrorspiel gespielt
coordinates
hat.
to your optics.
Wieso schwarze Löcher?
Mann! Spielt alles aufgenommen.
Sabine here, Inspector Lau.
Spielt mit der
I'm curious how you think you can bring Mary Kelley to justice now, with no backing. Even before Albion took over policing, you could lock her
Ja,
up. And she goes
immer
on
Fragen,
treating
Fragen,
humans like
Fragen.
Wo die herkommen?
I had to work
Moment, ist mein Auto in der Werkstatt? Warum komme ich mit dem Taxi?
It was corrupt. I knew it. I just didn't know how bad it was. I thought a strong enough case couldn't be buried.
Die kommen halt
It didn't work
her.
last time, so why would it work this time? The police
Ich
force
auch
is full of
nicht.
Albion knobs now.
Ja, ist gut.
Because I'm taking it to a contact in the Attorney General's office, an honest solicitor with a
Gut
hard on
Start.
for organized crime, specifically for Mary Kelley. Look, our methods may differ, but I want to
Nix.
help those people as much as you do.
All right. But however this goes down, there's no way we're letting Mary slip the net again. That's not how DedSec does things. Let's get to Sandstone.
Dann geh schon dann heim, dann kann ich dir alles helfen.
Heute noch. Guckst du Grauen Jävel live?
Ja,
Aua.
kommt um 6. Was soll ich jetzt morgen erst gucken oder was?
Das könnte doch sein, wenn du schlafen willst. Wie lange geht das?
Ja, 3 Stunden.
In Arabien.
Nee, in Rumänien.
Stell dir vor, die Länder auch. Dass ihr immer alle so gestresst seid. Ich weiß ja gar nicht, was hier... Wie geht.
Was soll ich da machen? Pakete heimtragen oder was?
Mir helfen, habe ich gesagt.
Ja, was soll ich mal machen? Pakete heimtragen.
Hatte ich doch gesagt.
Ja, also
Bist du
dann.
mit Watch Dogs, ist es Legend?
Nee.
Was ist denn Legion?
Ah ja.
Warte, sind wir raus.
Nee.
Oh, wie groß ist denn die City?
Ja, ist gut.
Sag mal Karte.
Nee.
Wie weit kannst du noch? Größer als GTA?
Was weiß ich, wie groß GTA ist, ich kenn das nicht. Wie England halt.
Ich meine, dass es in England spielt.
Hab ich dir schon mal erzählt, ne? Aber man haben ja Alzheimer, gell?
Nee, ich habe Alzheimer Demenz.
Was ist da oben? Achso, hab ich ja hochgemacht.
Ach, kannst du das hochmachen?
Ja, natürlich, kannst runter machen. So, jetzt.
Das Spiel hat hier angeblich kein Geld mehr.
Das habe ich doch schon länger, Arschloch. Sag dann Bescheid, wenn gehst und dann machen wir das alles. Nicht immer so rumfragen.
Natürlich müsste ich fragen, ich glaube,
Sniff around. Find who's doing this.
Gehen wir überhaupt nicht weg. Nett, kann ich nicht sagen. Warum besser ist da? Ich bin hier da. Aber ich bin schon wieder am Schauen. Das muss nicht stimmen. So, alles muss fertig werden, das muss einfach. Aber die großen Hasen nicht. Ja, Hä? Er flirtiert dich mit einer... Achso, mit einer Drohne.
I thought that was easy before. Very nice, DedSec.
Security here is state-of-the-art, quite impenetrable. Unless, of course, you flew a drone through the window one of Mary's mouth breathers left open.
The recording device is in her security room.
Getting there should be a simple matter of navigating the vents.
What the fuck?
She's using these people as house servants, against their will.
Horrible in itself, but a million times worse knowing they end up as unwilling organ donors.
Ich geh halt runter.
That's it. Let's see what kind of recording we've got on her. Just look at this place. This is what comes of old crooked money. The Kelley family has been profiting from people's misery for a long time. She's got this shit all over the manor.
So you've been in there before? Is that how you ended up in the basement of the Southwark incinerator?
We needed something incriminating, so we decided someone had to get in here and plant a bug. I wasn't going to assign someone else to do that. You saw how Mary uses the people she grabs out of the EPC, and the staff's uniform's not hard to mimic, so I went in. What I didn't know was that she had intel on our investigation, my team. I thought going off book would stop the leaks, but she still knew we were coming. She tortured me for the names of my team, tried to break me, but cops don't give up cops. Turned out she already knew the whole unit and put hits out on them. The woman is a mind fucker.
Shit. Well, at least you don't have a microchip in you. Bitch knew who she was dealing with. You'd never have bowed to her.
That's how I ended up on that butcher's table. So many reasons to want to rid the world of her, but it wouldn't be enough to just put one in her brain. My mates died trying to bring her to justice. I have to honor that.
Das ist da alles blau. Ah. Ach so. Ah jo.